Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to trade BSC meme coins using the OKX DEX, one of the fastest and most seamless decentralized exchanges out there right now. We will start by creating an account, then I will walk you through how to make your first swap on the BSC network. Trust me, once you see how quick the OKX DEX is, you will understand why a lot of traders are switching to it. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get right into it. So if you're a new user and you don't have the app before now, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store to download the OKS app. Then you install. Once you do that, you click on create account. You see create now. OKS wallet wants to use biometric authentication, so you can just approve that if it appears for you. Then click on let me verify. Then you click on create now. Once you click on create now, you allow it to load. So once you finish loading, then you move over to wait, hold on, let's click on create wallet. Sorry, then click on create wallet, then back up your wallet. Please make sure you always back up your seed phrase, write it down in a very safe place. So they ask Google Drive or manual. I'll choose manual. Then I'll proceed, click, then shortcuts, then just keep moving forward. Then we get to the last one, which is manage wallet, then done. Then once we are done with this, we'll proceed to back up our wallet. So to back up your wallet, I will just click on backup. They asked if it's Google Drive or handwritten, so I will choose handwritten. Why should I back up? This wallet is a decentralized wallet, so it doesn't store your seed phrase. You can't recover it. So blah blah blah. So just make sure you save your seed phrase. Make sure then understand. Then the next is back up your seed phrase. Then verify. So this is it. Once you click on that eye, it will reveal your seed phrase. So make sure you save it in a very secure place. Then I've already backed up. Then let me proceed to my wallet. So now I'm back to my wallet. The one Now that I'm back to my wallet, the first thing we need to do is to fund this wallet. So to fund this wallet, I'm going to select the crypto part, then scroll down to BNB because that's the chain we'll be trading on. Then once I select BNB, then I will copy my BSC wallet. You can see, let me select BNB. Then I will copy my BSC wallet, then proceed to any exchange of my choice or any wallet of my choice where I have BNB to withdraw from. So I'll just proceed to one of my trust wallet to withdraw some BNB there for the trade. So let me head over to my trust wallet to withdraw some BNB there over to this wallet I'll be using to make the trade. Oh, I'll be using Rabbit wallet. So let me head to my Rabbit wallet to withdraw some BNB. So this is my Rabbit wallet. Then I will just put my password, log in, head over to my wallet, then I'll proceed to withdraw my BNB to my OKX wallet. So I'll just paste the wallet here, paste, then confirm. Now that I've confirmed, I will move to the next one, click confirm again. I'll confirm, then put my password, then I will allow it to load, then click on maximum, say here, then confirm, then click on, hold on, let me try to adjust so that I'll have some fee left in the wallet because I'm actually sending everything. So I'll click on send, then hold on, let me do that all over again, then confirm, then I'll click on send, then confirm again, then send. Is actually sending, submitting transaction. So my transaction has actually gone through. So now that I've sent it to my OKX wallet, I'll go back to my OKX wallet to confirm it if it has arrived. So I will proceed to refresh my wallet. So let me refresh the wallet. Now it's refreshed. Now you can see the BNB inside my wallet. So the next is to proceed to desk screener to copy the contract address of the coin we want to trade with. So I'm already on my desk screener and I want to copy this Santa coin because we are heading to Christmas season. So I want to buy this token. It's called Santa. So I'll just proceed to copy the CA. You will see it over here. I've copied the CA. Then I'll move over to my OKX wallet. Then I'll proceed to click on BNB or you click on swap. Then I've clicked on BNB. Then you head over here, you see swap. Hold on. Just switch trading mode. Just touch that. Swap. Okay, so now you touch on the USDT. Then paste the contract address of the coin you are buying. Then you can see Santa. Whenever you are buying a token, make sure the coin you are using to buy is up, while the coin you are buying is down. But when you are selling, the coin you are selling should be up, while the one you are selling to will be down. So let's assuming I want to sell Santa, Santa will be up. But now that I want to buy Santa, Santa needs to be down because I'm using BNB to buy that. So I'll just put the quantity of BNB I want to use to buy Santa. You see, I put 0.01. Hold on. I want to put 0.01 BNB. That's like $10 worth of BNB. Then I'll swap via OKX DEX. You see how fast it will go. So let me click on swap via OKX DEX. Hold on. I'm still trying to impute the number. Then hold on. Then start trading. Click on swap. Then confirm. Put verify. Once I'm verified, then transaction will be proceeded. You can see that successful. So let's assume now I want to sell this particular Santa that I bought. You can see my Santa is already there. I bought like 30 something thousand worth of Santa. So let's assume I want to sell Santa. I will push it up. I will touch this middle arrow. Santa will move up. While BNB that I want to sell it to will be down. So that is how it's done. Whenever you are selling, the one you are selling should be up. Whenever you are buying, the one you are buying with should be up. So that is all for this. So OKX is very easy to use, very fast and user friendly. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this. Bye.